In this tutorial, I want to show how you can implement GBA exclusive content in your GBDK game. So here we have a basic Hello World program. Let's compile it. Okay, good. Let me see where it is. Yep, it displays just fine. So GBDK has a variable that checks if the ROM is ran in a GBA, and we're going to make use of it here. Extern event 8_t is GBA. This is the variable, and we're simply going to make an if check. If is GBA, printf hello GBA, and we're going to compile it. Now we're going to run the ROM in SameBoy. As you can see, nothing is displayed. That is because SameBoy is in Game with Color mode. We're going to switch that to Game with Advanced mode. And there we go, we got more text on the screen, which will only be visible in GBA.